that is not a typo. This is a 19-year user review. I was introduced to rainx water repellent back in 2004 when my dad bought his Indica. The accessory shop owner spoke very high of this product, of how water would just slip off the windscreen and how it would enhance the visibility in the heavy rain, especially at night. To be honest, I had never heard of hydrophobic coating and didn't know what it was or how it worked, so I wasn't sure what to expect. But after seeing it work, my jaw just dropped. And since then, I have used this on all the cars that have been in the family. Coming from an Omni, the wiper on the Indica themselves were a huge upgrade, and this took it to another level. So what it basically does is create a surface where the water just rolls off like beads and does not drag or create streaks on the surface. I have uploaded some sample shots of driving in the rain, so just hang around till the end of the video and see it work. So to apply, first clean the glass with water. And just let it dry. Then dampen a microfiber cloth or an applicator sponge with a bit of rainx. Now apply the solution on the glass with the microfiber or the applicator sponge in circular motion. Wait till you see a slight haze, and then spray some water on the glass and buff it out with a clean microfiber cloth. In case you missed a spot, just reapply to that area and repeat the process. And let's see what it does. See how the water just slips off without leaving any streaks? I have used this very bottle twice every year since 2019 on the WRV, and I've used twice on the Ciaz. And every time I apply, I use it on both the windshield and all the glasses and also the mirrors. Even after that many uses, this bottle has lasted me nearly 4 years. The trick is to close the bottle as soon as you pour out the required amount of the solution, or else the solution will evaporate. There are other similar products like wax ball rain repellent or Turtleback's Clearview rain repellent that work similarly. A ceramic coating will give you similar result and it will also last a bit longer. But this is a more affordable solution. Back when I bought it in 2019, this bottle cost me around 690 bucks. Now it retails for around 800. But for around 10 to 12 applications, I think that is money well spent. Here is the sample footage that I was talking about. You can see the car is being driven at roughly around 90 km per hour speed, and notice how the water is just slipping off the windscreen and it's not leaving behind any streaks. And this is a sample footage from the dash cam. Even though it's raining, I'm not using the wipers and you can still see clearly even in the rain. Now, I do not advise that you do it. I have just done it for the sake of recording. Here is a sample footage of me driving at night. And you can see by how much the visibility has increased because of the hydrophobic coating. In case you're interested in the rainx solution, you will find the link in the description. I will also leave links for alternate products in the description, so go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and take care.